Do you want to start cleaning servers, computers, maybe anything else? So here I'm going to tell you my experience with air compressors, with this type of thing. So here in this video, I just took it out of the box. The blower, the air blower, I bought it a few weeks ago, so now I have time to make a review. I'll tell you a little bit of my experience. Usually I used to buy these type of things, like the electric kind, not the wireless. But now that I have all my power tools and everything else, and hopefully you have seen my other videos about the drills and everything, so I'll make surely a playlist about that. So basically, when you have to go to a customer, you want to clean up a computer, you have these two options, or three options. One would be to buy those little air cans. They are kind of expensive. I mean, if you're going to do it like every day, it's not going to be a very good thing. Or you can get this type of little blowers. I like them a lot. Just test them. They are very compact, so you can put it like that, maybe in your backpack, and that's it. So as you can see, it's kind of the size of my hand, and they are very powerful, like 160 miles an hour. That is what the box says, the speed of the wind, and 71 CFM, cubic feet. Yes, cubic feet, something like that. Yes, 71 CFM. CFM means cubic feet per minute. So that is the airflow of this device, and it comes with some adapters, as you can see here. I didn't know what was this about, but this is to use it with the drill. I'm going to show you in a little bit. And also it came with this, that this is very good, because with a very little tip like this, with this thing, you can clean up, those difficult places, or you're going to have more pressure if you use this. So if you hopefully you have seen, like, those printers in the restaurants or computers, and they are full of cockroaches, they have grease everywhere, and it's very difficult. If you go to a regular end user, a regular person, it's just dust. You're not going to see grease or anything like that. Usually any blower will do it, but when you have that type of grease and everything, you need like more pressure than usual, and this will do it. So hopefully I have to try it, but something like that, this will be one option. And the good thing, it comes with battery. You don't have to deal with the cords or anything like that. And then on our left side we have our heavy duty compressor. So in this case, I think it's airless. You don't have to, airless. It is oilless. You don't have to put any oil on this thing. So I'm going to change the camera so that way you can see, but here you can turn it on and off. So here, as you can see, it needs to charge some air. Here you're going to see the pressure and also the amount of air. With this you can regulate it. So I'm going to switch screens so the way you can see it from here, and I'm going to switch it like that. So on the back, as you can see, you can plug in two batteries, so that is cool. This is no hybrid, so unfortunately, but it runs with batteries. So you have two, it would be more than enough. And I think it's brushless. I think it's brushless. I'm not quite sure, but at least for basic, I don't use this every day. But when I have to, and if I have to put some air in my car, you can use it for these two. Yes, it's brushless, as you can see, Gen 5, and here you can check or release the air. There we go. Here you have the gauge. I didn't remove even the plastic, you know, that came with it, but it has some dust a little bit. But the good thing about this is that you can use almost any hose. You plug it in, and then here you have the other thing. I mean, this is more bulky, of course, to clean up computers, but you can do it. I mean, that is fine, as you can see. And there we go. So the good thing, if you are like me and sometimes you like to work with wood or anything like that, you can buy one of these guns, nail guns, and you can construct your own thing. So at least that is what I like to do. Now I am in my box truck studio. You know, the table and everything, you need tools. So this is very good. I mean, I have used it in customers, like I mentioned before, but I wanted something smaller, so I think I'll give it a shot. I'll see how it goes. But like I said before, I tried this before, the corded one. Is very good. So it depends. If you need a lot of pressure, you may have to use the compressor. But like I told you before, here is 18 volts, so that is good. And I have the batteries already. It doesn't come with charger or either batteries or anything like that. 3 years. And here is what I was talking about, is 71 CFM, cubic feet per minute, or at airspeed of 167 miles per hour. So these are a little bit the specs. So as you can see here, it says include drill hole nozzle and drill hole dust collector. I don't have this. I mean, I have it here, but I don't have the drill to connect these type of things. And you have these different nozzles here, and you have 2 different speeds. So I like this product. So now that I was able to do the review, take it out of the box, I'm going to start taking it to customers instead of using something else. So hopefully this was useful for you. Like I said, if you can put it in the backpack, very light, very compact, and you can start cleaning your computers. If you have to work maybe with something else, maybe if you want to blow some lift, you can do it too. So I'm going to leave in the video description all the links if you want to buy it, or if you have any question, or if you want to hire me, you can do it as well. Thank you, and see you next time.